In this video, I will show you how to install the Excel solver. If you go to the Data tab, and if you can see the solver somewhere here, then you can skip the rest of this video. Your Excel already has the Excel solver to use. But if you cannot see the solver button, then please watch this video. What you need to do first is to go to Excel Tools menu and go to the Excel add-ins and click on the solver add-ins and click on OK. Then you can see that the solver button here. So if you click on that button, then you can see this. It works just like this.